What would it take to change the Caribbean region? Provide food to the needy. Bring clean water and sanitation to those who have spent most of their lives without it. Teach children to read and train a new generation of future leaders. Save our environment. Reduce the incidences of chronic diseases that have killed thousands in the Caribbean. Could one person do it? What about 2,000? These individuals are working to change our community. They are members of Rotary in District 7030, which has 70 Rotary clubs in 14 countries, stretching from St. Kitts in the north to French Guiana in the south. Rotary District 7030 is part of Rotary International, the world's first service club organization, with more than 1.2 million business, professional, and community leaders worldwide. There are 33,000 Rotary clubs in more than 200 countries and geographical areas. Rotary has existed in the Caribbean for nearly 60 years, and Rotarians in the Caribbean volunteer at the local, regional, and international levels and have dedicated themselves, like all other Rotarians worldwide, to a simple motto of service above self. Rotary is about vision to see, faith to believe, and courage to act. Rotary's projects fall broadly into 6 recognized areas of focus: peace and conflict prevention resolution, disease prevention and treatment, water and sanitation, maternal and child health, basic education and literacy, economic and community development. Rotary Worldwide is committed to the eradication of polio. Our clubs in the Caribbean contribute to Rotary International's Polio Fund in our bid to help eradicate the scourge of polio. Working with UNICEF, WHO, and the CDC, Rotary has immunized more than 2 billion children and reduced the disease by 99% worldwide. In District 7030, we are also committed to creating an awareness and reducing the incidence of chronic diseases with a special focus on diabetes, given the unusually high rate of incidence in our Caribbean islands. Many clubs are executing programs on diabetes education, prevention, healthy lifestyles, and care as it relates to diabetes. One such project is the Step-by-Step project, which has been executed in Barbados, Tobago, St. Kitts, and Dominica.
The reason for choosing diabetes is because diabetes in the Caribbean is twice the world average, and we figured that we needed to do something from a club perspective to be able to reduce that level.
Our district has contributed significantly to providing medical, dental, and eye care to those less fortunate. Contributions to hospitals to expand medical units, outreach and health awareness programs, and health clinics within communities are some of the ways in which our Rotarians are helping. Being able to access clean water and have proper sanitation facilities is an option many do not have. From providing water to entire communities to providing toilet facilities and water tanks, Rotary clubs in Dominica, Guyana, French Guiana, St. Lucia, and Suriname have done a considerable amount of work to tackle this problem. Central to Rotary's philosophy is that our children are our future, and so we must ensure that we do all we can to provide them with proper medical care, mental well-being, and educational services. Our clubs have been instrumental in implementing thousands of programs to cater to these needs, including immunization, medical attention, proper nutrition, services to the physically challenged, playgrounds, activity programs, educational and literacy programs. The Rotary clubs of District 7030 have contributed significantly to economic and community development through programs for refurbishment and support to senior citizens' homes and children's homes, giving food hampers, meals, and bringing cheer to the elderly and disadvantaged children, providing wheelchairs both for land and sea, delivering meals weekly to needy individuals, and support of specialist care facilities for autistic and battered children. In Rotary, we understand the importance of caring for our environment for this generation and for those to come. Rotary clubs in Antigua, Trinidad, and French Guiana have recycling programs which have had a significant impact on their communities, and District Governor Lara Quintrell Thomas has asked every club to plant at least 10 trees for the Rotary year 2011-2012.
My project this year is on the environment, focused on the environment, and I've asked every single club, Rotary, Interact and Rotaract, to plant 10 trees to help preserve planet Earth.
When our region is hit by natural disasters and lives are torn apart by these disasters, Rotarians of all races, colors and creeds join together to care, to connect, to share, and to make a difference.
Rotaract Club is an organization for young individuals, dynamic, passionate persons who want to give back to their community, make a difference in the world in which they live in, but they also have the opportunity to form real friendships. I came into the organization more to help others, not knowing that I would have discovered so much more about myself as well. I encourage others to join. I think it's an excellent organization, and not a day goes by that I regret being a part of it.
Rotarians achieve excellence through service to their fellow man, and the Rotarians in District 7030 are committed to making a difference and to making our region a better place. But even for the thousands of Rotarians in District 7030, changing our communities is no easy task. To find out how you can make a difference, visit us online at www.rotarydistrict7030.org.